In the rugged terrain of forestry operations, safety and efficiency are paramount. That's why when one of our valued customers approached us with specific safety concerns, we knew a standard solution wouldn't suffice. We understood the challenges our customers facing with their forestry machinery. Safety is our top priority, so we went to work to create a custom solution tailored to their needs. They needed extra safety measures, real-time visibility, and notifications, especially when their machines are operating in remote areas with limited connectivity. We provided a comprehensive solution, including a front-facing and driver-facing dash camera, with additional camera facing the cabin controls and a rear-facing camera, all with 2 TB of onboard video storage. This allows for complete visibility, ensuring safety from all angles. But we didn't stop there. Our solution is integrated with a satellite modem, providing visibility and notifications even in areas with no 4G coverage. Another concern was operators potentially leaving the machine while still operational. By customising the wiring configuration, we implemented notifications for when the door opens during operation, enhancing safety protocols and preventing accidents. At Fleetwear, we understand that every industry and every operation is unique, and that's why we're committed to providing bespoke, tailored solutions to your specific needs. At Fleetwear, we are your partner in safety and efficiency, wherever the job takes you.